am so excited to announce Exploring Harlem. This is one of my favorite things that I've ever had the opportunity to work on. Y'all know me for being a makeup artist. If you've been following me for a while, you know how passionate I am about business, about making money, about generational wealth. All those things matter to me. Exploring Harlem is bringing all of those things together. What I think is happening right now is we have a lot of Black-owned businesses that are owned by Black people and designed for everybody. I've seen the neighborhood change, but I haven't seen the people who have been coming to the neighborhood come and patronize these places. I want to change that story. It's really, really important that we don't put Black businesses in a silo. Black people made it, so this is only for Black people. It's not true. Starting a business in a country where funding is incredibly hard just because of the color of your skin, all of these types of things, we celebrate that, right? That's why we want to let you know that it's Black owned. Okay, so this is the show. You come into my house, you sit down with me, I do my makeup, we get ready, we go meet up with a friend. Each time it's different. I have a couple of friends that I saw a couple times. We're gonna hang out. It's gonna be a bunch of different types of places here based in Harlem, New York. We're gonna talk about entrepreneurial mindset, tangible things that you can take if you're interested in creating your own business. We're also gonna talk about the fantastic places that I'm recommending and that my friends are recommending that you come to when you visit Harlem. This is a passion of mine. This is the first time that I have invested in this way. Not only invested in my community, but I've invested to be able to create this amazing opportunity for you all to experience virtually what I get a chance to experience all the time. Come enjoy and explore Harlem with me. Thank you for watching and thank you for supporting. And please share this with a friend.